Hi there, in today's video lesson, you are going to learn an expression that I hear almost every day. It is very commonly used, and I bet you as well can use it in your everyday conversations. The expression is "you would think." But what does it mean and how do you use it? Let's find out. Let me tell you about my friend Juliet, who has been living in Italy for the past 30 years. But shockingly, she doesn't even speak a word of Italian. Can you believe that? You would think she's learned the language, but she hasn't. The phrase "you would think" means that you believe something to be true or you expect something to be true. Let me give you another example. My friend Jonathan is a medical doctor, but he doesn't follow a healthy lifestyle. He sometimes drinks too much, never exercises, and smokes. You would think he follows a healthy lifestyle. That means you expect this to be true, but clearly it's not. So in what situations could you use that expression? Let me know in the comment section.